Hello everyone, I am going to explain question number 5 from exercise 2.2 from 10th class maths. The question number 5 is, in a seminar, number of participants in Hindi, English and mathematics are 60, 84 and 108 respectively. So the meaning of this line is, participants in Hindi are 60 and number of participants in English are 84 and number of participants in mathematics are 108. If the equal number of participants of same subjects are sitting in each room, so in each room number of participants in all subjects are same, they are sitting in a room, then find the least number of required rooms. Then how many rooms we require for such kind of arrangements? So to solve these kind of questions, students, to find out the number of rooms, we should take the highest common factor of these participants, that is HCF of 60, 84 and 108. So we will start the solution. First we will write down number of participants in Hindi. Number of participants in Hindi is equal to 60. In the same way, number of participants in maths, in English first we will write down. Now after doing this, sorry, now we'll write down that number of room requires. So number of room required is equal to HCF of 60, 84 and 108. So first we will factorize them, that is 5 factorization of 60. So 2 3s are, then again by 2 we will obtain here 50, then by 3 3 5 5 1, and 84 also will prime factorize. First by 2, then by 3. So I hope prime factorization is clear to you. You already knew it from childhood onwards, you are doing it. It's 108. So by 2 first I am factorizing. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Then by 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, so it's 14. So 2 7s are 14. Then by 3, 3 9s are, then again 3 3s are, and then 3 1. So students, what we obtained is 60's factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, and 84's factor are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, and 108 factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, then again multiplied by 3 and then 7. So in HCF we need the number which belongs in all three, which is present in all three. So we make the loops which are present in all three. So this 2 is present in all three, so first loop. Then again this is also present in all three, so the second loop. And then this 3 is also present in all three, except that you can see that other factors are not common in all three, so we will not encircle them. Now we will write down here HCF is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now why the number came? From this circle 2. Now from this also 2 and from this also. From this we obtain here 3. So answer is 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. So we require 12 rooms. So we write here required from required rooms are 12. So answer is 12 rooms. So students, in this I hope this question is clear to you. So what we had done, we calculated the highest common factor of 60, 84 and 108 to find out the minimum number of rooms in which we can do the arrangements. Thank you.